Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. This is Jerry Fong, and today we're gonna do a quick review of the MT-03 by Yamaha. And I will tell you why I came from this to this. Alright? Okay, this is the Yamaha MT-03 2021. As you can see, this is a new color called Strom Fluo. It's kind of grayish, bluish. Like when I bought it in the bin, it's a gray pastel. So Yamaha is very tricky to give you the color, so you cannot find an actual color in case you want to do some body paint. That's what I wanted to do here. Okay, in the MT-03, that's why it's a 3.4, the engine is a 321cc. It comes with a 6-speed manual, so it's not automatic, and I believe the top speed is 115. I never tested, but it's very, very, very good on the highway, so you're gonna be slow and you can cut and pass any car on the highway in New York City. I tested out in New Jersey when I was going around 70 to 85, and it was pretty okay, even though that day was super windy. All right, let me tell you the best things that I like from this bike. All right, first of all, it's a beautiful color. It's called Strom Fluo. It's only available after January 2021. This is a 2021 series, guys. And the other one is this, the beautiful headlight. So you have your low beam and your high beam integrated, and this is how it looks. This is aftermarket. We're gonna talk about this in another video, so just disregard this, okay? And this is how it looks. The color is amazing. And third, I would say the engine size. What it shows as such a small engine in the city is the best to snake through the traffic without, it looks like you're riding a regular bicycle. The balance of the weight of this bike is amazing, so you won't feel like it's dragging you to one side to another side. And also, look at this color of the rims. They're beautiful, stylish, and amazing. I like this color. I wasn't a big fan when I bought the bike in the beginning, but actually they're beautiful because in nighttime when you're riding, people actually can see your rims and can see you. And since the color is very tacky and very colorful, people actually see you in the road when you're riding. One more thing, the height of the bike is perfect for me. I'm at 5'10" tall. So for some people that have some issue like reaching all the way down, no, I never had that issue on this one. I actually have comfortable room to actually bend a little bit my knees and kind of, support the bike if I come to like full stop. So, and I did some modification, as I said before. We're gonna talk about that in another video. And riding in the city, perfect. Gasoline, about $7 at today's price. You have to fill up the tank. I like the front suspension. It is not yellow as the MT-09, but it does the job. Comfortable, very comfortable on the road. For example, you feel a bump on the road, like on the car, riding a car, obviously you're gonna feel it on the bike. Bike's not gonna make any difference. A bump is gonna be a bump, but it's very comfortable ride. Some of the seats are very uncomfortable, but this one I found it is pretty good. I've been riding for like 2 hours non stopping. Very good seat. Not like the Cafe Racer over here. Cafe Racer, they're nice and looking, but the small uncomfortable seat that you're ever gonna sit on. So another thing I didn't like, one thing that I didn't like from the bike, it was the horn. I replaced the horn right away. I didn't like the sound, but that's going to be another video. The moment you guys waiting for would be how it sounds when you turn this on. Obviously this one sounds way different than stock, and had a automatic turn on switch, and this is how it sounds. Let me put it in. how the beauty sounds like with the aftermarket exhaust. If you want me to make another video about all my accessory, just give me a comment below. I will link all the parts, but for now this is a quick review from me. It's gonna be like this because you're gonna find like thousands of videos about this bike, and you can go to the website and see all the specification and more detail to it. But for me, I just want to give you my expectation about this bike. I've been on it for like 3 months already. It's actually my first bike in New York City, and it's good enough for the city. If you're looking for something faster, stronger, I would say get the MT-07 or 09 if the money's not an issue, but this one is good enough to commute in the city. All right guys, once again, please like and subscribe my video. It will help me a lot. And this is not a sponsored videos. I've been not sponsored for any of this. I put all this out of my pocket. I just want to let you know what I'm doing lately, that I came from the electric vehicles to a gas one. And the main reason I did that, because you were maybe waiting for, is because I can bring this guy on the highway. The Onyx is perfect. You're just not planning to go into the highway in long distances, but this, one of the best on the highways, more comfortable, especially in wind, when the wind hits you at 60 or 70 miles per hour, it blows you side to side. With this one, feel less, it's more stable because it's meant to be taken on the highway. And also the gas is the best thing now because you can just pull over at gas in 5 seconds, you will be gone. So you have another 100 miles and so to go. So once again guys, like and subscribe please. And this is my quick review of this. Once again, just a quick review to tell you what I think about this. And leave me a comment below you want to know more about this and what I missed and about my accessory. And also I'm probably gonna do another video about how I feel riding. I'm gonna mount a GoPro in my helmet, and then you're gonna see how it performs in the city, through traffic, on the highway, and regular commute basis, okay? So, ciao. Oh man, this thing keeps falling, man. Stay there, don't move. It looks so nice. All right.